Hello everyone! Welcome to Rockab's Cabrera channel. So, before anything else, let me introduce first ourselves. I'm Decadet Hilbulingo Francis Roman and
I'm Digarit Jumar Sarte.
so in this video, we're gonna discuss about the
Life jacket and
Light Boy. A life jacket is a piece of equipment that looks like a jacket without sleeves, and that is filled with air or light materials designed to help someone float if the person falls into the water.
this is a life buoy. Life buoy is also named as marine life buoy or life float ring, which is a ring like a red tube. It's a red tube that you use when someone fell overboard on the water when you are sailing on water. So, life buoy ring is a personal protection device. It is used to perform emergency rescue. Buoyancy buoyancy prevents drowning in case a person accidentally goes to overboard into deep water. Normally, the life buoy ring is thrown on the water body to assist casualty to stay afloat by holding on to it and getting pulled out to the safety by a rescuer.
For watching, that's all for this video. And for more video, just click the subscribe button.
And click the notification bell. That's all.
Goodbye!